What's up friend, whenever you try to open your computer or laptop, you face this error. An error has occurred in the script on this page. But don't worry guys, today in this video I am going to provide you the solution for this error. So if you are new on my channel, then make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future updates on our channel. Now without any further ado, let's get this problem. First of all, simply click on your start button and here type internet option, just simply open it. Next, here click on advanced option and here make sure you disable this script debugging option, then hit apply, hit OK. After this, click on journal and here you will find this browsing history, delete temporary file history, cookies, sales password and web information. Simply click on deletes and here make sure to delete all these data and it will solve your problem. So if this video helped you, then make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.